Hi folks, Richard Fontenay here. Now, thank you for checking out my product review. Now, before we get started, I invite you to work with my internet coach to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. Yeah, that's $10,000 a month. Now, if you're interested, please check out the first link in the description below. Now let's get back to the review. You can grab the product from the second link in that description at any point during this video. And when you do, I will give you my 4 exceptional bonuses that I have been able to snag from my coach, Virgil Downs. The first bonus shows you how to supercharge your make money online business with over 12,000 free traffic sources, and you get them every Friday. Grab it and you'll reach your online income goals quickly and easily. The second bonus is a highly prized product that shows you how to act as a middleman on Fiverr. Now, when you get an order for a high value gig, for example, you buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr for a much lower price, and you deliver that to your buyer. And you pocket the difference in the process. The third bonus, you will learn how to create a passive income. And this is an important point. It's a reoccurring or recurring passive income, and you can do it with ease. And the fourth bonus will allow you to supercharge your results with an evolutionary system. It'll show you how to earn up to $186 today in just 3 simple steps. And you can do that without spending a lot of time, 15 minutes daily to run the entire system. Now, you receive a done-for-you, high-converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic source. Now, let's get back to the review.
Are you struggling to create a professional-looking design template? Do you want your design template to stand out from the competition? Our digital product Ready is the perfect solution for you to selling design templates without download and install anything. A well-designed template will be easy to read and navigate and will help you to make a great impression on your readers. But create a design template can be time-consuming and challenging, especially if you're not a designer. That's where our design templates come in. But how can we sell a digital product without download and upload problems? You only need a few clicks to sell this. Imagine! Today you can have 500 plus design templates ready to sell to your customer without installing and download files. Just access, edit, export, and sell on your customer, social media, website, or anything. But the problem is, how successful digital marketers generate income online using high-quality and fresh design template like a pro without having the skills? Introducing EazyDesign. +500 Canva design template with private label rights to sell it as your product and generate 100% profits with minimum effort. Our templates are easy to use and customize. You can create a professional-looking design in a few seconds without any design experience necessary. It's an all-in-one design tool for unlimited sales and profit. Your design templates are ready to customize and sell in a few seconds. No more create yourself, no more stress, no more wasting time, and no more download files. EazyDesign comes full of tools you need to grab buyers' attention with design template just using Canva free account. Now you can easily sell highly profitable designs with PLR in a few seconds and get enormous profits on sites off your desk without downloading and uploading the files. Just copy and paste the link. So easy to create and sell high-quality design template like professional. Check out EazyDesign templates. Module number 1, 400 ebook design templates. Module number 2, 20 CV or resume design templates. Module number 3, 20 CD or album design templates. Module number 4, 50 ads banner templates. Module number 5, 20 poster design templates. Only 3 simple steps using EazyDesign. Step number 1, log in and select a template. Step number 2, customize the template with Canva. Step number 3, export. If you want to sell, just copy and paste EazyDesign template link, and your templates are ready to sell in a few seconds. The best part is, you will get private label right license only for this launch period, so you can keep 100% profit you make by selling EazyDesign templates. Now stop wasting your time and money trying to create high-quality design template for your business. EazyDesign helps you with countless hours and thousands of dollars on your business without much effort. What are you waiting for? Buy now and get a special price. Early bird price EazyDesign will end in a few hours. You only need to click the button below and access EazyDesign with special discount prices.
Hi folks, I'm back. Just to remind you of my 4 bonuses. Find out how to supercharge your online business with over 12,000 free traffic sources. Number 2, earn income on Fiverr. Number 3, earn recurring passive income. And number 4, invest 15 minutes a day and get up to $186. And don't forget to check out to earn 10 grand a month in the first link below.